Alright, so remember last time we do our owls, right? Hopefully you save your pictures. Okay, so now we have to do the eye color and the feather colors, then you can do the background colors. Okay, so bring your joints and your pencil crayon. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to color the eye. Okay, so I'm gonna do it with the pencil lines, slightly bigger so we can see it. So I'm sure you don't have that big eye. All right, give me the seconds. That's how the structure looks like on the eye, the highlights. Okay, so you can choose any two color for the owl, but try to make the color looks okay for the eye. Okay, so which means when you choose the red color, that will make the owl looks creepy, right? So, but that will be your choice. If you really want to use the red eye, that will be okay. So I want to choose two different color, one dark, one light. So like this two color, I can tell this one's darker and this one's brighter, but the color is too similar, so I'm gonna pick the light one and find another color for the dark color to make sure they are really dark enough. All right, so I don't have this thing looks darker, so I'm gonna mix the color. So I choose the green, that's the dark green that I have. Then I find my black color. So I'm gonna mix this too. All right, so we start with the brightest color. So let's see how we color the eye. So we divide the glass, the lens. So let's see. The bottom color go darker and getting brighter on the top. So fill the gap on the side. Okay, let me zoom in so you can see even more clear. This one. So it's like dark, medium, light, right? Darker at the bottom, so I color very heavy and solid. So which means I don't left any white space. You have to be careful and be gentle and getting brighter on the top. And color around a little bit darker. See, I trace the eye with the green color to make it a little bit darker and the highlights on the top. Alright, I'm done with the light color. So now I want to grab your green color. Okay, I use the dark green color to color on the side, the corner, left and right. Dark medium light, dark medium light on the top, on the side, right and left. And the top a little bit. Dark medium light on the top. And don't color inside the highlight, it's supposed to be white. Alright, so now use your dark green color to color the middle. And just one single color. Don't worry about dark, medium, light. Just one single color. Okay, so as I mentioned, the green color is not dark enough. So I want to use the black color to overlap on top. But I'm not going to cover them with all black. So I color lighter and brighter. So which means I still see the green color at the bottom. But not too much, it looks dark enough. Okay? So remember we add some textures on the eye, but if you don't want to, you don't have to do this step. So it will look like the sun ray. So use the dark green, the dark color you have. Just adding some textures. Looks like this. It looks like the kiwi, right? Just add the sun red. especially at the bottom. Okay, then we're done with the lens of the eye. Around the train, you can choose to do it with the dark brown or black, up to you. Brown or black for the train, your choice. If you have the brown owl, then use the black one. Okay, if you have the brightest colors owl, you can use the brown one. Alright, so we're done with the eye. Alright, optional, if you have the white pencil crayon, you can color a little bit at the bottom. You might not see that clear. Let's see. But we can see some of them. It doesn't have to be that clear. Just something a little bit like reflections in between the texture. But that will be the option. You don't have to do it. Okay? Okay, so I have a few ways to do the feather because I did teach you different way to do the feather, right? So let's see the easy one. The shape looks like the leaf. It looks like the cartoon. Same thing, we have the middle line. Alright, so this one, we can just do the color blending. So you can do the blending as much as you can. So let's try the simple one. I used two different colors. So this one looks like the light blue and this one is rose colors. Okay, so same thing. I'm gonna color it very dark on the top. On one side, it doesn't have to be top. It's just one side. It could be right or left, up and down. Okay, and medians and lights, just like the color volume. That's the one. And on the other side, opposite side, you can use the other color. Overlap, dark, medians, and light. So you have to do the feather color one at a time. So which means you have to color one feather first and do the next after. Okay, you are not crossing the color. So that's the simple one. Okay, so the other one, you can do it like the real ones. So let's see. I added the feather. See, I always go into this direction because that is supposed to look like in the real life. So I'm adding the bunch of the diagonal line, like hatching, like doing the hatching color. Okay, and the other one, I color a little bit to make sure the edge looks clear. Okay, and same thing, I'm doing the hatching in between, but shorter. Okay, so that's the two color blendings. You can do 3 more. Okay, you can challenge yourself to do 3 different colors like that. Don't limit yourself. You can do just 2 colors, but you can challenge yourself to do 3 more. Okay, but same thing. Just remind you, you have to finish one feather at a time. You are not crossing the color, so don't be greedy. Be patient. All right. So now it's your turn. I'm not going to bother you anything. So that's everything for today. Eyes and the feather, the mixing color. So the coloring gonna take a very long time, so feel free to do it until the class finish.